Hi guys, it's me, Quinn from Lapidary Studios. My video clicked off in step 6, the video clicked off. So we're gonna continue the video from stage 7. The video clicked off in stage 6. So this is stage 7 now. We're gonna complete this machine today because I'm just spending too much time on it and I'm ready to get it done. So as you can see, I bought new boxes. I got some extras. This one I just did, but I don't like the design. So we're going to do it over this way. So the key to making this machine work is getting this design down. It's all about keeping the water off the arbor. And so far what I've done is I think this design is going to be perfect for this setup. I don't think I'm going to have to change it anymore after this. Okay, so we got the little window here for the wheel. And only thing we got on this side now is just a little hole for the arbor to fit in. There's no water getting out of there. No water is getting out of that hole. So there's no reason for this machine not to work. So this is what I wanted to show you all. So we're going to put the camera back on the post and we're going to continue. Okay, so hold on. Let's put the camera back. Hold on, guys. Sorry about my fingers in the way. And we're going to put the camera back on the box. And we're going to continue. I promise you guys, you won't be disappointed. This is going to work. All right, let's take these safety glasses off. Okay, now we got to cut. I'm going to put those safety glasses back on. I'm sorry, I'm tripping. All right, now we got to cut again. Okay, let's move this out the way because this is garbage now. Okay, let's move that out the way because that is garbage. Let's get this cut out and get this machine working. All right. Let's get this machine working, people. We got this. We can do this. We're going to do this. Just keep watching. We're going to do this. All right? We got this. We got this. Let's cut this first hole out. Alright, so we got our first hole. Right, guys? Y'all see that? We got our first hole. This is just for the arbor. Nothing else is getting in there. See that? Uh-oh. Don't worry about that. We'll get that on. We'll tighten that on. Hold on, y'all. Let's tighten this up so it won't be no accidents. Let's go on and tighten this up now. I was going to wait till later, just in case I had to take it back off. But let's go on in, tighten that up now. There we go. See how tight that is? Now, this is the way the wheel is going to sit. Now, you see, guys, there's no way water is going to get on that arbor. Can y'all see that, guys? For everybody that say this is impossible, there's no way water is getting. I'm gonna line this hole with some I'm gonna line that hole with some of this. It's sticky liner. What the hell they call this? Hold on, y'all. Let me see what this is. Rubber window seal. Rubber window seal. I'm gonna line that hole. I'm gonna line this hole with some of this rubber window seal if I can. But even if I don't, it's still no water. It's still gonna get to the arbor. You know. Okay, let's finish this. Let's finish cutting. Let's finish cutting. All right. Just gonna cut this square out right quick, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. our window. All right, we got our window. We're gonna line this with some styrofoam. So it doesn't matter if we get all this plastic from around it, because we're gonna line that with some styrofoam. Okay. We're gonna line that with some styrofoam. Mike can't do all sides. Matter of fact, I don't think we're gonna be able to do any sides because that's gonna take away from the wheel. Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm just trying to smooth out the edges. I got some see how good that is? That's perfect. Easy peasy breezy. So do the other side and we ready. I don't want to put no styrofoam on here because then that'll take away from the wheel. Be too much, hold on, let me do this, y'all. I don't want to talk and cut myself. Let me do this. Okay. We're going to clean all this mess up, so don't worry about it. Oh, shoot. Look at me. I need to slow down. I'm moving too fast. Okay, let's clean this mess up. Clean this mess up. I'll get it cleaned up. All right, so here we go. That's the design. This is what it's going to look like. Much better design. There's no water getting through here. None. Okay, let's put the wheel on now. Let's give it a test run. As you see, there's plenty of room to get your wheel in and out. Plenty of room. Y'all see that? I'm sorry, I want to be in a frame. I want y'all to see everything, so y'all know how to put this machine together if you want to use this technique. Okay, let's get our little tool to tighten it up. And we ready to rock and roll. Let's get our little wrench thingy. Whatever you call this thing. Fit your screw. And we ready to rock and roll. Let's tighten it up. Okay, I'm going the wrong way. All right. No pictures. I got it, y'all. Let's tighten that bad baby up. We gotta make sure it's real tight. There we go. It's tight. Put the top back on. Okay. Put the top back on. Get us a little piece of styrofoam for the top. Just measure it. Okay. A little piece of styrofoam for the top. Okay. Put that styrofoam up there. All right. There we go. We got enough room for a little piece of styrofoam at the bottom. Okay. We're getting there, y'all. We're getting to the end. This has been a long process, getting it right. All right. We might have enough room for all four sides. Let's see if we can get all four sides in here covered in styrofoam. Let's just see. This is going to also block the water. There we go. Okay, let's get another piece. Hold on. I got to get some more styrofoam. I'm wondering if let's see something, guys. Let's see something. Let's see something. Let's see something. Let's see something. Take this out. Take this out. We're going to make one piece. Let's see if we can make one piece. Let's see if we can make one piece all the way around. See if we can do that. Y'all think we can? One piece all the way around. Watch me now, y'all. Watch what I'm doing. Okay, it ain't the prettiest. It ain't the prettiest, that's for damn sure, but it's working. I don't think I like that. I just gotta see my wheel. Hold on. I need to see my wheel, and I need to see my wheel. I can't do that one. We're gonna have to think of something else. Maybe if we put one up here. Okay, one up here. One right here. And one right here. And that's enough. That's enough right there. That's enough right there. All right. How that look? All right, now what I need to do is make some more room back here. Okay, I need my wheel to go back. See, this is all trial and error, people. This is all trial and error. But wait till when I'm done and it works. This is all trial and error. Just hold on. This is all trial and error. Let's see if I can get this wheel out of here. This is all trial and error. What I'm finna do is make this hole not bigger but longer so my wheel can go back some. I want my wheel to go back. This is just too far towards the front. You'll see what I'm trying to do. I need my wheel to go back a little bit further. I think. I don't know. Let's just see. Let's just see, y'all. Let's just see what we got here before I go changing shit. Because I think it's perfect. Let's just see before we start changing. Alright, we're finna give our test run. Oops. Did it again. Got to put my wheel on like an idiot. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Only time you have to go in this box with this setup is when you want to get your wheel on and off. That's it. There we go. There we go. That's more like it. You don't need all that damn styrofoam. That's more like it. Alright. Top on. Okay, now all that's left to do now is measure the hole is to measure your drip holes to your wheel. So let's make sure it's good and tight before we turn it on. Okay, it's still fast. It's still fast. Okay, it's still fast. Alright, we need some more room. We need some more room right here. Okay, we need some more room right here. We don't want this arbor touching this bucket. Okay, I see what I gotta do. We don't want this arbor touching this bucket, period. Okay. We do not want this arbor touching the bucket. Hold on, I gotta get this off, y'all. Give me a minute. Give me a minute, y'all. Getting kind of tangled up here. Now, come on. All right. Having problems getting the wheel off now. My hands is just giving out on me. All this twisting and pulling on them. Hold on, maybe I can. Oh, nope. I need to get this off of here. I need to get this wheel off of here. My hands are hurting, guys. This would be a lot easier if I had my what's me jiggle, but I can't find it. Come on. Damn it. There we go. I got it. Okay, what I'm saying I need some more room here. So the only thing we're gonna do is widen this hole up a little bit. Like I said, I'm gonna lace it with that window seal, so no water is gonna get in the hole regardless. But right now I need to widen it up a little bit. Okay. Trial and error, people. Remember, trial and error. Let's widen this hole up some. Okay, now we can spin freely without touching anything. No, I might need to get some more because I'm planning on lacing it with that stuff, so it needs to be a little bit wider. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. It's not touching. I still need to go get a C-clamp. I'm gonna go get a C-clamp for this to hold the bucket down. Once I get it set in its permanent place. This is not its permanent place. This is just what I'm using now to do this video. But this is not its permanent place. I'm gonna get a wood table to make its permanent place, but I still need a C-clamp. That would be, oh, there we go, C-clamp. Okay, there we go. Let's do this for now. Let's clamp it down for now. Let's get the proper length that I wanted before I C-clamp it down, because I'm not moving it anymore. And we're going to make sure it can fit. It's not going to touch the wheel. Cannot touch the wheel. So, let's see how we're going to do that. I don't know if we're going to be able to do that. Not like this. Yeah. I don't know if that's going to work, guys. We want this C-clamp on it, but I don't want this C-clamp touching my wheel. So I got to make sure I got enough room, and I don't think I do. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to super glue this to whatever table I put it on. Like I said, right now this is not the permanent spot for it. But whatever table that I decide to use, it's going to be probably this wood table right here. I'm going to super glue this down. I'm not going to super glue it because I want to be able to take them off and clean them. But I'll figure out something. I'll figure out somehow how I'm going to do it. Right now I just want to see if this bucket is going to work for this machine. We're not going to use the C-clamp, y'all. We're going to take the C-clamp back off. And we're going to use the same setup as I had before. We're not going to change too much. We're going to keep everything like it is. And hopefully it'll work finally. Long as this don't touch the, long as that bucket don't touch the arbor, I think we'll be all right. Okay, let's put the wheel back on safely. Put the wheel back on. Hold on. See all that room? It fit right in there. Plenty of room. Okay. I like this setup because these will be easier to clean. Alright, that's it. Okay, we got this. Got this. Alright, now, where is my, okay. Got this. Let's see if we can get this to work in there too. Okay, this is the water guard. I'm not sure how I want to put that in there yet. We're gonna have to wait to see how I'm gonna do that. I got an idea on how I'm gonna do it, so I can get it to sit just like this. I got an idea on how I'm gonna do it, but I want it to lean like into there. You know what I'm talking about? The water guard, for the water guard, like I had on the other way. But for now, we're just gonna do it the way I had it before. And I hope it works. I'm gonna do it the way. See, we don't have no nothing supporting. Last time I had the styrofoam holding it up, but we don't have that design anymore, so this might not work. But for now, let's just see if the wheel works. Let's see if the wheel and the water drip system work. Okay, let's get us a hole directly over this wheel Probably about right there. Oh, where's my pen at? Okay. We want the water drip hole probably back here because I don't want too much water. Okay, we want the water to come. Okay. Okay. Now that might do it. Let's just see something right quick. Okay, why is it doing that? It wasn't doing that before. Why is it shaking like this? Okay. We got something going on here. It wasn't doing that before, was it, y'all? Alright. I don't know what's going on. 1 minute it was working, the next minute now it's not working, so I don't know. Hold on. Okay. Why is it shaking though? I don't understand why is it shaking. It wasn't shaking before. Maybe because it's unleveled. Maybe because it's unleveled. I don't know. I'm just brainstorming here, guys. Don't pay me no attention. Brainstorming, trying to figure out what's going on. Why it's not working. I suppose it was working before. I don't know. Let's see. I'm not understanding what's the problem here. The wheel is on tight. Okay, the wheel is on tight. So why is it doing all this shaking? Hold on, I know what I probably need to do. Let's see about this. Take some of the weight off of it. Maybe that'll work. The weight is not distributed evenly. So let's just see something. No, it's not working either. Okay. All right, y'all. Got one more idea. We're gonna take that